Thanks for joining me today. My name is Trellis Moss, the owner and creator of Top Hat One-on-One Marketing. And today we're going to go into how to claim your free GrooveFunnels account. And without using a credit card, this free tool requires absolutely no credit card whatsoever. So you can leave your credit cards tucked away. All right, everyone. Thanks for meeting me back here. And we're on the landing page of GrooveFunnels. And basically, I'm going to give you guys a basic walkthrough on how to sign up for this free account. And this account is 100% free. You do not need a credit card in order to take advantage. And as you guys can see, it says the better free way to build funnels and sell digital products. Now, along down this page, it gives you all of the basic information that you need to know about all the services we provide: Groove Pages, Groove Funnels, Groove Sell, Groove Mail, Groove Affiliate, Groove Member, Groove Video, Groove Cart, Groove Blog, and Groove Webinar. And down this page, you can see all of the different explanation of how the product works. And you could just go through all of this on your own time. But for the basis of this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and get started immediately. You just go up to this right hand corner, click the Get Started button. It takes you down to this free startup. And as you guys can see, email marketing to your contacts. You get unlimited custom domains, unlimited page hosting, multiple gateways, including GroovePage, Stripe, PayPal, more, unlimited import pages, unlimited share funnels, unlimited templates, unlimited integrations, unlimited products, unlimited e-commerce stores, the membership platform, you get the professional marketing videos, and the blogging platform. And all it takes is for you to fill out your first and last name. Again, there's no credit card required. There's no trial period. This will be free forever. Again, that you want to start by filling out your first and last name, your email address, phone number, username, and of course your password, and then click the free access button. And that's all it is to it, guys. Then you're on the inside. Stay tuned as I show you guys how to set up your first blog and first page using GrooveFunnels. All right, see you guys on the inside. All right.